Make a great choice today with
The 2012 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.